Hi, on this tutorial, the last one of the 4 series, we're going to create an e-commerce shop that will be inside Facebook. So to create one, just select the page that you want this to appear on, enable the store. Usually it will be the same from this email. You can use this. Counties, province, it's not central, but and streets, yeah, not that useful, but how to configure that.
So upon saving, people can view the store settings, which is what you entered. You can now configure for checkout. This one you need like the Paybill number from M-Pesa that you got from M-Pesa, the Passkey, and the consumer key and consumer secret key. This you get inside the Raja. For Passkey, this is given to you by email from M-Pesa business. So after you configure that, you enable M-Pesa cash on delivery. The default currency is Kenyan shillings, but you're able to change that. You can be able to align if you want to come separator between the currency, where you want to align the currency symbol. If you do tax, you're able to define that, the charges that you have for delivery and all that. So if you do home delivery or you are install delivering, for now we do store pickup, that is inside the premises. So you can also define the preparation time for this. If you are in a restaurant scenario, this is what you would use. And for checkout, for now we'll be using phone number, but you can be able to check other parameters that will be used. So save that. So save.
When you saved, you can go to appearance. That is, you need to change the appearance of the pop-up bot. Change the default font, what appears on desktop pickup text. So for this one, it's a restaurant. So I want to save inside what's on. So you can disable either the cart, add to cart button, or the buy button. So you can also set the business hours. Hours are you open? If you are 24 hours restaurant, just tick that for as we operate these hours. So you can see what's on data off if that's the station. So category, you can add different category, like let's say drinks. You can have an icon representing that. Like, yeah, let's do this. Can have another category of food. Change this. That. So you can also add attributes. Attributes are a definition of a product. Let's say you need like print size. So you can be large, press enter, then medium, small, then medium. You can have as many sizes as possible. For this one, you want to check multi-select optional because it's not optional. You have to select, but you can set the default size so that it's optional. So it's up to you. And we have maybe something like maybe toppings. Maybe you want what? I don't know. I can't do that. Action and cheese. So this can be multi-select, where you can have both in your topping, and also you can have it as optional. It's not a must. Someone to have it before they proceed. So now let's go to the product. Start with the let's see what do we have. And let's see, it's hot 400. And for this one, you're making it 350. That's it. You have a special offer for that. So select the category. The attribute now will come with a let's say plate size. You can all see the attributes. You're able to select, like for the large one, it's let's say 30 bob more or 50 bob. For the small one, it's minus, let's say 20, and that is minus. And for the median one, let's say we want to exclude it. So for the topping, for kachumbari, it's what, 50 bob, which is, I don't think we need that for this one, so exclude it as well. And then you can have description of the product. For now, it's back. So item in stock, you can say that you want to sell 30 prints of this. Display is stock. Stock. Yeah, maybe. And prevent if out of stock. If the 30 units are sold, you want to prevent sales. Yeah. The preparation time. Maybe this takes more time than the default 15 minutes. You can be able to add that. So after you've added that, it will save, and you can go to add in the next item, which for this would be, let's see, some pillow. So let's say this is 200, but for today it's going for 150. So okay, let's select the category, attribute. Yeah, you can have that. It can also come in different sizes. Let's have the small one. We'll have just the medium. Just the medium of it. Maybe 30 or more. And the toppings. Have kachumbari. It's 20 or more. Let's cheese. Exclude that. And you can have that you want to sell 50 plates. Yeah, display if they are in stock. Let's say this one will take what, 50 minutes, yeah, to prepare. So you can add as many as you want, and I'll come back when you finish updating on the stock.
Products like over 10 SKUs as a product, and now you go to the next step of the delivery points, which these can be tables for a scenario where you want this to be delivered. So table 1, adding the deliver point, you can now come to maybe the QR codes. So the QR code that are generated by the table. So you can download this QR code based on the table. So you just selected table 2, which will have this particular code. So if a person scans this at table 2, they'll be able to you'll be able to see that they're scanning from which particular table. So the other QR code is on the entire global view of the hotel, where you're able to create this. This is generated globally for that particular entity, hotel, whatever it is. So you have the option of a messenger QR code. If they scan this, they are taken to your Facebook page. So this is equivalent to the link that is shared there. So this particular one, it takes me to Messenger, and I can opt to continue as this. So hi Steve, start. Welcome to our store. Get started. So this will take me to the store. I'm able to view the store from here. So you are able also to edit these the message that you saw there. You can personalize it to welcome to, instead of store now, it's what African bistro. Click below button to get started. And also you can change the text that appears here. So it's can be view our menu. So when you save this, the QR will be regenerated to configure the SMS or the messenger inbox message that come into the user. So for this one, actually default messages will change. So we save that. And now you're set to test. So after setting up that, you have now to go to the bot where you configure the bot to sell the product now. So that, add one based on keyword. Let's say keyword one. Let's see. Maybe say hi. This these products. As many as to all of them. So the button that will be there can be, this is the text that the people would see. So now we have the keyword based one. You can say this as AutoBot and to reply with the product images. And you're able to order Sasa. So I've configured M-Pesa and able to set that. So when you make a push, it will appear on the phone of the user. They enter their PIN, and after this, now this will refresh to the order menu. Are you able to the orders, that is the invoice and all that. So if it's paid, it will appear as paid. If it's pending, because this is pending, I haven't entered the Pesa PIN. So when I enter this, we have to update to the correct status of paid.